Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blur a video in CapCut PC. So select your video first, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy and paste the video here. So do that, go to effects, and then add in the blur effect to it. Like this one, just place it inside of the video. I just used one that I can adjust so it's not too blurry. Then you're going to want to select the clip, so don't select the effect, select the clip. Then go to the mask section and use the shape that's I guess fitting for the thing that you want to blur. This is me changing it to the rectangle one because I want to blur out the name. If it's like a video, you can use keyframes for the mask here. So this is just me adjusting the size. So you're also going to feather it out so it doesn't look too blocky as well. And then I'm just here using keyframes, and I'm just going frame by frame to kind of like adjust it to the name of the name and the rank of my character here. And you're just going to adjust it as you go. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.